It's Music City Sings at 6, and it's threatening to rain any minute now here in Nashville. And so I have picked out a sad, bad weather song for you from 1933, written by Harold Arlen and Ted Koehler, originally performed at the Cotton Club in Harlem, and recorded by Ethel Waters. Don't know why there's no sun up in the sky, stormy weather, since my man and I ain't together. It's raining all the time, all the time. Life is bare, gloom and misery everywhere, stormy weather. Just can't get my poor self together. I'm weary all the time, all the time. When he went away, the blues walked in and met me. If he stays away, that rocking chair will get me. All I do is pray the Lord above will let me walk in the sun once more. Can't go on, everything I had is gone. Stormy weather, since my man and I ain't together. It's raining all the time, keeps raining all the time. So there you go. Not one of my usual happy songs, but a great song for today. Go out and sing for your neighbors. Bye.